What is DNA damage? DNA damage refers to any physical or chemical alteration in the DNA molecule that distorts its normal structure and interferes with DNA replication, transcription, genome stability. If not repaired, DNA damage can lead to mutations, cell death, genomic instability. DNA damage is not the same as mutation. Damage equals structural abnormality, reparable. Mutation equals permanent sequence change, if damage is misrepaired or unrepaired. DNA damage and DNA repair in prokaryotes. Direct repair. Direct repair is the simplest and most accurate DNA repair mechanism in prokaryotes. In this pathway, the damaged DNA base is reversed to its original structure without removing any nucleotide. Since no DNA synthesis is involved, this repair is error-free and very fast. It mainly corrects UV-induced dimers and alkylated bases. Example: photoreactivation. Photolyase enzyme binds to thymine dimers and, using visible light energy, breaks the abnormal bond between adjacent thymine bases. Alkyl group removal. Methyltransferase enzymes remove alkyl groups from modified bases like O-methylguanine by transferring the alkyl group onto themselves. Key enzymes: photolyase, O-methylguanine DNA methyltransferase, ADA protein. Base excision repair, BER. Base excision repair corrects small, non-bulky base lesions that do not significantly distort the DNA helix. These include thymine, oxidized, or alkylated bases. The damaged base is first removed, creating an abasic, AP, site, followed by replacement of a single correct nucleotide using the complementary strand as a template. Repair steps: damaged base recognition, removal of damaged base, cutting of sugar phosphate backbone, filling of single nucleotide gap, sealing of DNA strand. Key enzymes: DNA glycosylase, AP endonuclease, DNA polymerase I, DNA ligase. Nucleotide excision repair, NET. Nucleotide excision repair is responsible for removing bulky DNA lesions that cause significant distortion of the DNA double helix, such as UV-induced thymine dimers and chemical adducts. Instead of removing a single base, this system removes a short stretch of nucleotides containing the damage and then resynthesizes the DNA segment. Special feature: this pathway does not require prior knowledge of the exact chemical nature of damage, only recognition of helix distortion. Key enzymes: UVR-BC system. UVR-A, damage recognition, UVR-B, verification and unwinding, UVR-C, dual incision, UVR-D, removal of damaged fragment, DNA poli, DNA ligase. Mismatch repair, MMR. Mismatch repair corrects replication errors that escape proofreading by DNA polymerase. These errors include base mismatches and small insertion/deletion loops. Prokaryotic cells identify the newly synthesized strand by its lack of methylation, ensuring correction occurs on the incorrect strand only. Importance: this system greatly enhances replication fidelity, reducing mutation rates by up to 1,000-fold. Key enzymes: MUT-S, mismatch recognition, MUT-L, linker protein, MUTH, strand incision, exonucleases, DNA polymerase III, DNA ligase. Recombinational repair, homologous recombination. Recombinational repair repairs double-strand breaks and collapsed replication forks, which are potentially lethal if not corrected. The damaged DNA uses an undamaged homologous DNA molecule, usually sister chromosome, as a template to accurately restore missing genetic information. Central protein, RECA, which mediates strand invasion and homologous pairing. Key enzymes: RECA, REC-BCD complex, DNA polymerase, DNA ligase. SOS repair, error-prone repair. SOS repair is an emergency response system activated when DNA damage is so extensive that normal repair pathways cannot cope. This system allows DNA replication to continue across damaged templates, but at the cost of increased mutation rates. It is a survival mechanism, not a fidelity mechanism. Key feature: temporary loss of replication accuracy to prevent cell death. Key enzymes/proteins: RECA, SOS induction, LEXA, repressor, DNA polymerase V, error-prone synthesis. Summary: repair method. What it fixes. Description: direct repair. UV dimers, alkylation. Reverses damage without cutting DNA. BER. Small base damage. Removes and replaces single base. NET. Bulky lesions. Removes short DNA segment. MMR. Replication errors. Corrects mismatches on new strand. Recombinational repair. DSBs. Uses homologous DNA template. SOS repair. Severe damage. Allows survival with mutations.